Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new Brunswick Village. This is a mixed-use development located in Spanish Town. Now it just opened recently. It was built by Sagicor. This section that we're driving through is a commercial section where you have stores for rent, and then that section straight ahead where you see the blue trimming, those are residential units where you have townhouses and apartments. And this is the commercial part. Now, Sagicor spent $6 billion to build this development. And according to earlier reports, the units were like over 80% sold out. But as you can see, quite a few are empty. So I'm not sure if it's a case where they're waiting to move in, or it's a case where a company bought the unit and then they now turn around and lease it, and they're waiting for somebody to lease it. But it's a very nice development, and it is located in the heart of Spanish Town on Brunswick Avenue. And it has an island grill at the front. You're going to see it in a little bit, but very nicely done. And Sagicor is also building another mega development over in Portmore called the Promenade. They haven't actually started construction yet, but when they do, we will give you regular updates. That's a Sagicor branch over there on the left. And straight ahead, that building is a church, but that's a separate property. Now these are some more units. These are at the back. As you can see, these haven't been rented yet. They're empty, but you can see they have the warehouse space for easy delivery. Very, very nice development. And I know space is an issue, but they need more developments like this across the country, especially in Kingston and Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Drax, all those areas, these kind of developments. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. We will keep you guys updated on this development, but it's finished and it's up and running. Alright guys, have a good day.